What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. We went to Malzum again this week, except there was like 9 inches of really good ice. We brought the wheelers out. We had a pretty damn successful day. The first clip you're going to see is me not getting a flag when I was going around checking all my bait. It was so cold. We started out, it was minus 10 degrees, and then I warmed up through the day, but what happened was my flag didn't get tripped. And I had a togue on there that took probably about 200 to 250 feet of line without the flag getting tipped. So you're going to see first clips. It's really going through. Me just hauling that fish, hauling that line, and then finally reeled it in. John caught a really, really nice Laker. I'll put a picture in here. But we didn't get it on video because I was helping Mike jump his 4-wheeler. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. We got more episodes coming your way after this, so stay safe, have a good one, and get out fishing.
Oh, there's my butt.
What, did he make a run yet?
He's been running. He's been running back and forth.
No, you're missing a spacer on here.
Oh, well, he's running. Here he goes. There's the leader. Nice.
Yeah!
Nice fish. Good. That's a good Laker right there,
Ooh,
boys.
that's bigger than... He's pretty close. Pretty...
Look at where the hook is.
Oh, you...
He had perfect hook set.
With a 10.
Look at that. Just
With
came
a
right on.
10.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah! 4 or 5. It looks like the same one.
Woohoo!
I got this morning.
Here we go. It's very similar, yep. And he took way more line.
Wait, well, I was tending my traps.
That's a good fish, man.
Oh, he's helping. Oh, it's a big perch!
Oh, yeah, perchy. Why are we catching perch?
The smelt is so small.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is a Laker.
Yes, sir.
That's a good Laker too. You fighting back on you?
Yeah.
I mean, I just.
You want some? You want some ice?
Knock that hole a little bit. Line. That's good. I don't know if it's that good, but it's a nice fish.
Leader. Oh yeah. Nice.
Hey, there it is. Nice. On the board.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Went right back in?
Yep.
Good job.
Yeah, Cam.
Pull it up. Can you feel it?
bud.
I'm driving down here, my flag's like, I'm like,
Awesome.
keep pulling, keep going,
Jam.
Grab
Keep
it.
going.
Keep pulling. The fish down there, right?
You feel him? There you go.
Here. Walk over here. Keep pulling. Keep down the hole. See him? Not yet. Keep pulling. Feel him? Feel him? Keep pulling. Way
He's
down.
still there. That's too cool.
Keep pulling. Keep pulling. He's right there, buddy. Keep pulling. Keep pulling.
Oh, here he comes. Hey! Woo!
Good job, dude.
3, go. Look at me. 1, 2, 3. Man, that's so bright. Good job, dude. Next.
Yeah. Ready for me to go back in?
All right,
Alright.
here goes.
That was like, I want to get another one.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.